if you are familiar with a text editor like the Microsoft Word, you will be familiar with this property. So it can be used to, the text align property can be used to align the text left, center, or right. So there are additional possible values like justify and justify all. So it usually defaults to left. So however, remember that you shouldn't use text align unnecessarily. So note that text align may not work as expected if applied to elements that are the same width as their text or whose width is determined by the text within them. So example are inline elements. So the tags span, anchor, italic, bold, and quote, and others are considered inline because they do not receive their own new line when used. And text align is often not useful on these tags. But it is useful to block level text tags such as the paragraph tag, list, UL and OL, unordered list and ordered list, the div and the block quote tags. So this is an example of how you can use the property tag. So you have your selector, and inside your declaration, the property is text align, and the value could be left, centered, or right, or justify all. So bear in mind also that you should only use text align when the alignment really needs to be changed, since it can cause additional work to reverse all the values when translating into languages that use Arabic or Hebrew, for examples. So those are the scripts on which the default alignment for those languages is right. Okay, so the new values start and end are currently being implemented in browsers, and those will be much better choice than left and right once Internet Explorer supports them. So here is an example of the use of text align. So here you can see when you use the left value, here's the center, right, and justify.